Email marketing. Mobile commerce, also known as e-commerce, refers to the buying and selling of products and services through mobile devices such as smartphones and tablets. With the increasing use of mobile devices for online activities, including shopping, mobile commerce has become a crucial aspect of e-commerce. Here are some key considerations for mobile commerce. 1. Mobile responsive design. Ensure that your e-commerce website is designed to be mobile responsive, meaning it adjusts seamlessly to fit different screen sizes and resolutions of mobile devices. This includes optimizing the website layout, navigation, and user interface for mobile users to provide a smooth and intuitive browsing and shopping experience. 2. Mobile app development. Consider developing a mobile app for your e-commerce business to provide a dedicated and optimized experience for mobile users. A mobile app can offer features such as push notifications, personalized recommendations, and simplified checkout processes, which can enhance user engagement and retention. 3. Mobile payment options. Offer mobile-friendly payment options to make it easy and convenient for mobile users to complete purchases. This may include options such as mobile wallets, example, Apple Pay, Google Pay, mobile banking apps, and other popular mobile payment methods. Ensure that your mobile payment options are secure and compliant with relevant payment regulations. 4. Mobile search optimization. Optimize your e-commerce website and mobile app for mobile search engines to improve visibility and rankings in mobile search results. This includes implementing mobile-friendly SEO practices, such as optimizing mobile site speed, using mobile-friendly URLs, and optimizing mobile content and images. 5. Mobile user experience, UX, design. Pay close attention to the user experience, UX, of your mobile commerce platform. Ensure that the navigation, search functionality, product display, and checkout process are all optimized for mobile users. A seamless and user-friendly mobile UX can significantly impact conversion rates and customer satisfaction. 6. Mobile marketing. Develop a mobile marketing strategy to promote your mobile commerce offerings. This may include mobile-specific advertising campaigns, mobile app promotions, SMS marketing, and mobile affiliate marketing. Consider leveraging mobile marketing channels such as social media, mobile apps, and mobile search to reach and engage with your target audience. 7. Mobile customer support. Provide mobile-friendly customer support options to assist mobile users with their inquiries or issues. This may include live chat, chatbots, email support, and a mobile-friendly help center or knowledge base. Prompt and effective customer support can help build customer trust and loyalty in mobile commerce. 8. Mobile security. Ensure that your mobile commerce platform is secure to protect customer information and transactions. Implement security measures such as SSL encryption, two-factor authentication, and regular security audits. Communicate your security measures clearly to mobile users to instill confidence in your mobile commerce platform. 9. Mobile analytics. Monitor and analyze mobile commerce metrics to gain insights into mobile user behavior, preferences, and performance of your mobile commerce platform. Use mobile analytics tools to track key metrics such as mobile traffic, conversion rates, bounce rates, and mobile app engagement. Use the insights gained from analytics to optimize your mobile commerce strategies and user experience. Mobile commerce is a rapidly growing segment of e-commerce, and it's essential to ensure your business is optimized for mobile users. By considering mobile responsive design, mobile apps, mobile payment options, mobile search optimization, mobile UX design, mobile marketing, mobile customer support, mobile security, and mobile analytics, you can create a seamless and convenient mobile commerce experience for your customers and drive business growth. Module 6. Advanced e-commerce topics. Mobile commerce. Mobile commerce, also known as e-commerce, refers to the buying and selling of goods and services using mobile devices, such as smartphones and tablets. With the widespread adoption of smartphones and the increasing use of mobile devices for online activities, mobile commerce has become a significant part of the e-commerce landscape. Here are some key aspects of mobile commerce. 1. Mobile-optimized website or app. Having a mobile-optimized website or app is crucial for providing a seamless and user-friendly experience to mobile shoppers. This includes designing responsive websites that adapt to different screen sizes, optimizing page load times for mobile devices, simplifying navigation, and providing a mobile-friendly checkout process. Alternatively, having a dedicated mobile app can offer a personalized and convenient shopping experience with features such as push notifications, loyalty programs, and mobile payments. 2. Mobile payments. Mobile payments enable customers to make purchases using their mobile devices, often through digital wallets, mobile banking apps, or other mobile payment platforms. Popular mobile payment methods include Apple Pay, Google Wallet, Samsung Pay, and PayPal. Implementing secure and convenient mobile payment options can help streamline the checkout process and improve the overall mobile shopping experience. 3. Mobile marketing. Mobile marketing involves reaching and engaging with customers through mobile devices. This can include tactics such as mobile advertising, SMS marketing, in-app promotions, and push notifications. Mobile marketing can help drive traffic to your mobile commerce platform, engage with customers, and promote your products or services. 4. Mobile search optimization. Mobile search optimization, also known as mobile SEO, is the process of optimizing your mobile commerce platform for search engines. This includes optimizing your mobile website or app for mobile search results, ensuring mobile-friendly website design, improving site speed, using mobile-friendly URLs, and optimizing content for mobile consumption. Mobile SEO is important to ensure your mobile commerce platform is visible in mobile search results and can drive organic traffic to your site. 5. Mobile user experience. UX. Mobile user experience is critical for providing a seamless and user-friendly shopping experience on mobile devices. This includes optimizing the layout, design, and navigation of your mobile commerce platform for small screens, providing intuitive and mobile-friendly product search and filtering, simplifying the checkout process, and ensuring smooth performance across different mobile devices and operating systems. 6. Mobile analytics. Similar to e-commerce analytics, mobile analytics involves tracking and analyzing data related to mobile commerce performance, customer behavior, and mobile-specific metrics. This can include mobile website/app performance, mobile user behavior, mobile conversions, and mobile marketing effectiveness. Mobile analytics can provide insights into the performance of your mobile commerce platform and help optimize your mobile commerce strategies based on data-driven insights. 7. Mobile customer service. Providing excellent customer service on mobile devices is crucial for maintaining customer satisfaction and loyalty. This includes offering responsive and mobile-friendly customer support channels, such as live chat, email, or social media, and providing self-service options within your mobile commerce platform, such as order tracking, returns, and exchanges. 8. Mobile security. Mobile security is critical for protecting customer data and ensuring secure mobile transactions. Implementing robust security measures, such as SSL encryption, two-factor authentication, and secure mobile payment gateways, can help safeguard customer information and build trust in your mobile commerce platform. 9. Mobile promotions and personalized offers. Leveraging mobile capabilities, such as push notifications and location-based targeting, can allow you to deliver personalized promotions and offers to mobile shoppers. This can help drive engagement, loyalty, and repeat purchases on your mobile commerce platform. Mobile commerce continues to grow in importance as mobile devices become an integral part of consumers' lives. By optimizing your mobile commerce platform, providing a seamless and user-friendly mobile shopping experience, and leveraging mobile-specific strategies, you can tap into the mobile commerce opportunity and drive success in the increasingly mobile-driven e-commerce landscape.